This training video demonstrates how to make an outbound call in the Contact Center Agent Workspace application. To make an outbound call, click into the field labeled Enter Number and type in a 10-digit direct dial phone number. Click on the green button to send the outbound call. The system will dial, and once connected, the call controls will be displayed in the interaction panel, front and center. Call details are positioned towards the right, under the Customer 360 tab. To hang up the call, click the red End Call button. Another method to outbound dial is to click on the Add Interaction button and choose the call option. The virtual dial pad will appear. Enter in the phone number or extension of the contact you wish to reach. Click the green button to begin dialing. Once connected, you will be presented with the call controls to further manipulate the call and end it as needed. This concludes our training demonstration. Thank you for watching.